Hello, what's up, guys? What's running through your mind? So today I'm going to make matoke for breakfast, and so it's gonna be different. It's not the common matoke, the one that we do for either lunch or dinner. So this one is specifically for breakfast. So the only thing I need is the matoke itself, which is this one over here. You can see this is matoke. And then here I have a pot that has water inside. So I'm boiling the water. And then actually at some point I need some cooking oil. So I have my cooking oil over here. And then kama kawaida, without further ado, let's get started. Yes, so I'll start by dropping my matoke in the pot of water, boiling water. So I want them to boil for a while before I move on to the next step. So this is what I'm basically doing. I'm putting my matokes, raw green bananas, in a pot of water, uh, and then I'll cover for some time. So I'll just show you what I'm doing. So when you check here, you can be able to see what's happening over here. So the matokes are turning really fast because the water was hot, and that's why you can see the color. So I'm covering for some few minutes before I move to the next step. Remember, the matokes are for breakfast. Improved matoke for breakfast. Yummy. Alright guys, so I'm going to turn off the micro. Sorry for that. So I'm going to turn off the meko, and then I'll be able to get my matoke again. So I'll pick them from here, then I'll just put them here. So when you look at them, they've changed color. So this is what I'm going to do. Put them here first for them to cool, then I'll peel them, then I'll slice them into halves. Then from there, you'll be able to see the next step. So when you look at them, they have turned the color. See? So I will remove all of them. Then I'll peel and split them into two. Then you will be able to see the next step. So now my bananas are here. I just peeled and then I split them into two. Okay, the same matoke. They are peeled and then I split them. So they are a bit tanned because of oxidation. There is some brownish and blackish because of oxidation. And then for the fact that they had stayed for some time, they are mature enough. That's why you see that kind of coloration. Okay, so I've just been doing this. I'm going to demonstrate on what I did. I've left this one so that you can see. So I just did the peeling. I just peeled like this. I'm sure you can be able to see what I'm doing. I just peeled. So the black patches that remain is what I use now. Just peeled using the hand, because now remember I've already boiled, so it's an easy task to do. So I just remove the black parts using a knife like that. The ones that are stubborn, the ones that didn't come out. clearly. So I just do this. I remove these ones. The ones that are extra ones. So once I'm done, this is a whole of it. This is how it looks like. So I'm just splitting into two. I just split into two. That's what I did to all of them. You see? So, and then I get the two halves that way. So from here, I'm just going to put some salt in my oil, and then I go ahead and do the deep frying. So, oh no, not deep, but shallow. I'll shallow fry them. So I'll put some salt in this oil. Remember, if I need to use the oil again, then it means I'll not put salt in whatever that I'll be using. So, let me get the spoon. So I'm going to use this madum, this one. So I'll just put my bananas over here, then I dip them in the oil. I think the heat is too much. Let me just try to reduce. If it's too much, then I won't get the desired results because of the burning. So I'll show you what the pan looks like in a few. You don't have to worry. Alright, so now this is how they look like. So I'm just turning them to the other side. So that they're well done. I'm sure you can see here. So as you can see, the blackish substance is because of oxidation, not anything bad, which is still okay anyways. So there's salt already here. So the only thing that I'm gonna add is to do a sauce. Um, you can use tamarind, the okwaju. You can use the okwaju to make your sauce. Um, and then you enjoy your breakfast with this kind of, with the matoke, you know. So when you feel like they are crunchy enough, you just turn to the other side. Turn them to the other side. Alright, so I'm just presenting my breakfast plate. So here there is a tomato, there is some pieces of chicken, and there is matoke. Maybe you can help me so that you can get the view over here. So let me just show you so that you may see at a closer angle. So there is a tomato over here. There are some pieces of chicken, and my matoke is there, and some few pieces of fruit. And so you can use some sauce, some tamarind sauce, or any other type of sauce to enjoy your breakfast. Yeah. So kama kawaida, my people, please, I'm kindly asking you to subscribe to this channel. For the ones who are already there, I still say a big thank you. I've reached where I am, almost 500 subscribers because of you. Without you, I'm sure then I'll not be anywhere anymore. If you're not here, please subscribe, like my videos, share them as well, and give a comment about my videos. Thanks for your times and for watching as well. Until next time in my next video. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. See you in my next video.